This 2019 Grand Design Solitude 374th is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 41 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep 6, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, microwave, TV, external shower, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, stovetop burner, and 117 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Grand Design Solitude 374th is 15,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.